Before applying the coupon code, the price is $60. After applying this coupon code, the price is reduced to $36, saving almost $24 every month for a lifetime. Hi guys, in this video I'll share my exclusive Invideo coupon codes with you. These codes give the highest lifetime discount on any plan, whether it's standard or premium, and they're valid for both monthly and yearly subscriptions. To claim the discount, click the link provided in the description. It'll take you to a special page where you need to sign up for the Invideo Studio by clicking on the Invideo Studio option and then on Studio Sign Up. Make sure to use my link in the description to sign up, otherwise you won't receive the lifetime discount. Once you have finished signing up, click the Upgrade button in the top right corner. This will take you to the pricing page, which looks similar to this one. You'll be taken to the pricing page where you'll see two plans, Business and Unlimited. The business plan is ideal for small businesses, educators, and influencers, while the unlimited plan is better suited for agencies and larger teams. I recommend going for the yearly plans because they give you an extra 50% discount compared to the monthly plans, and that discount lasts a lifetime. With my coupon code, you get both the coupon discount and the extra 50% off, which is a great deal. Now let's go through the process of applying the coupon code for both monthly and yearly plans one by one. So if you prefer to purchase on a monthly basis, the selected plan of your choice, either business or unlimited. In this video, I'm going with the unlimited plan, but you can use the same coupon code with the business plan too. After selecting your plan, click on Enter Promo Code box. At the time of video creation, the highest discount code available is ACSHAY40. However, if better deals or updated coupon codes arise, I always add them to the video description, so make sure to check the description for the latest discounts. Although I'm using ACSHAY40 in this video, applying any other updated coupon follows the same steps. Now enter ACSHAY40 in caps lock and hit Apply. This gives you a solid 40% off, saving you around $24 each month for a lifetime. Complete the checkout and you're all set. Now let's move on to yearly plans. Similar to monthly plans, select your preferred business or unlimited. Once again, I'll choose the unlimited plan, but remember, this coupon code applies to both plans. Click Enter Promo Code box. As of the recording of this video, the highest discount code available is ACSHAY40. However, keep an eye on the video description as I'll update it with better deals or new coupon codes. Even though I'm using ACSHAY40 in this video, the steps for applying any other updated coupon code remain the same. Enter ACSHAY40 in uppercase and apply it. You'll instantly save nearly $144 each year for a lifetime, plus the extra 50% discount that is already applied when you chose the yearly plan. Complete the checkout process and you're set. That is it. You've successfully redeemed the Invideo AI coupon code and saved money. All the latest and updated coupon codes are included in the video description in case you want to copy and paste it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know if this Invideo coupon code worked for you or not. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.